Hey guys, welcome back to another Sunday where we undecorate the house after Christmas. I'm Delilah or heythedelilah.10 on Instagram. Well, I'm sure many of y'all will agree to this. Decorating your house for Christmas has always been the most exciting thing to do. While on the other hand, taking down those Christmas decoration, putting things in place, cleaning up after your family leaves has been always overwhelming.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself.
The Feast of Epiphany is the official end of the festive season on the 6th of January each year. It celebrates the arrival of the three wise men who came to see Jesus.
Right in my mind, and then you came over and you showed me.
I wish we could keep our Christmas trees up year-round. No room will ever feel cozier than when it's filled with those garlands, twinkling lights, and of course a decorated tree. There is something about walking into a room that is smelling all Christmassy or having those twinkly lights on in the evenings that make us extraordinarily reluctant to leave this one piece of Christmas behind. But alas, Christmas is over and it's time to take down our beautifully decorated tree. Save yourself hours of untangling time by wrapping your Christmas tree lights around toilet paper rolls. They will keep your lights from getting all bunched up, and once you've got them wrapped around these rolls, you can stack the rolls in a protective bag. Putting up the Christmas tree is a family highlight of the year. But on the other hand, taking down the Christmas tree is a moment we all dread. The taking down of the Christmas decorations is a job nobody wants to do, especially as it coincides with a return to work, celebrations firmly getting over, and a return to normality. Without the magic of the tree and the twinkling lights, our homes are left looking naked.
Gotta find my way to you, no matter what I do. Gotta find my way to you, your heart is drifting out of reach. Gotta find my way to you, no matter what I do. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. Gotta find my way to you, no matter what I do.
A few tips for taking down your Christmas decorations. Pace yourself. Instead of making it a one-day event, try slowly taking items down throughout the week. Avoid overreaching. Try to work at or below the shoulder height. Practice safety with ladders. If you need to use a ladder, make sure its base is on a well-balanced surface and that someone is holding it. Now, in case you have some broken ornaments, these can cut you very easily. Either toss them or handle with care if they are of significant value. Don't let small children take these ornaments off the tree. Do not overfill the boxes in which you pack your ornaments, as this could cause a back injury. Use more boxes to keep them light. Well, a lot of dust had been accumulated over time since I last cleaned the shelves. So I decided to wipe down all these shelves while taking off the Christmas decor.
No matter what I do, gotta find my way to you. Your heart is drifting out of reach. Gotta find my way to you. No matter what I do, gotta find my way to you. Even though you're next to me, gotta find my way to you. No matter what I do, gotta find my way to you. Your heart is drifting out of reach. Gotta find my way to you. No matter what I do, gotta find my way to you. Now that our love has capsized. Has capsized.
So what I did was, as I was undecorating the living room and cleaning it, I stacked up all the decor onto the dining table. And now that I have to clean the dining room area and also undecorate it, I have to put all these things back in place.
Gotta find my way to you.
Think about the times you let me go, falling through the cracks, emotional. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key, used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head on the water, I'm swimming hard and trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you.
Well, those who already know me, I'm all over the place when I'm decorating or undecorating or cleaning. So I got rid of the tinsels that were hanging onto my bed. Also got rid of the Christmas throw pillows. Moving on to the living room, I also got rid of the Christmas throw pillows from the sofa and also the Christmas throw pillows from the guest bedroom. Okay, this table over here was used to make the nativity crib, and once that was taken off, I put the table back in place with its tablecloth. Moving on to my parents' bedroom, I got rid of the Mary throw pillow that was put up for Christmas and put these blue throw pillows back. I actually really love these throw pillows. I mean, they have this nice geometrical print on them, and a lot of them even asked me about it. Well, those came from Amazon, and the links have been mentioned below in the description box for you guys to check it out. Well, as I mentioned in the Christmas decor videos about these curtains that we use very occasionally or during any functions, so now it's time to take it off since the Christmas season is over, and put the regular curtains up. Moving upstairs, I first got rid of the tinsels that were wrapped around the railing, and while doing so I just realized that this was the first Christmas decor that I had put up, and it was so exciting then. But taking it off is equally so hard, and everything looks so plain and empty.
Been lost to the war, shot me dead. I was lost in the sand.
From the bedrooms, I got rid of the ornaments that were hung to the curtain rods, and also the Christmas throw pillows were swapped to the original ones.
Another day, I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get up again.
Now these LED fairy lights are used to decorate the exterior of the house, and managing them and keeping them tangle free is very important. So the easiest way to do so is you hold on to the first bulb, leave the next two bulbs, and then hold on to the fourth bulb, and you continue doing so till the end, and what you have is a beautiful arrangement which is tangle free and mess free. Well, I also had my dad's help in order to arrange these lights, and I explained to him as to how it has to be done, and he really did well. As we come to the end of the video, I would like to know as to when do you undecorate your house? Is it soon after Christmas or is it after the Feast of Epiphany? Do let me know in the comment section below. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, stay safe and take care.